Today I'm going to show you how to make Puerto Rican canoas. Canoas is fried sweet plantain filled with ground beef and cheese. Absolutely delicious. Come so I can show you pasito a pasito. Let's make our ground beef. 2 tablespoons of sofrito. We're going to saute this for like 2 minutes. Let's add our ground beef. Let's add a cupful of vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, some adobo, a packet of sazon, and half a can of tomato sauce. We're going to cook this meat for a good 20 minutes and it'll be done. Now we're going to do the canoas, which is sweet plantains. The darker, you see all those dark spots, the sweeter the better. We're going to cut right in the middle, but we're not going to cut all the way through because this is where we're going to add our meat. Now we're going to start to fry them until they get nice, golden, and delicious. This is what you want to see. Now what we're going to do is we're going to help them. We're going to open them up a little bit, but not all the way through. And we're going to fill them up with our meat. I'm excited. We're going to put some cheddar cheese over the top and it's going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Look at this delicious canoa. Mayo quecho over the top. Oh my God, guys. You have to try this. Let's taste. Qué ricura.